Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2018 S650 Maybach. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Of this car is in excellent condition. Let's take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the passenger side is good. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here looks good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Alright, the steering wheel looks perfect as well. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Let's have a look around the steering wheel. Alright, everything looks perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.